In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new meeting in Calendly. We'll walk through the process from the moment you open Calendly, all the way to having a brand new meeting type ready to share with others. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to make sure your meeting is set up just the way you want it. First, once you're logged into your Calendly account, look for the main navigation area where you manage your events. Here, you'll want to click on the option labeled Scheduling. This is where Calendly keeps all your meeting types and scheduling rules, so think of it as your control center for appointments. After you're in the scheduling section, look for the button that says Create. Go ahead and click on that. This button is what you use anytime you want to set up something new, whether it's a one-on-one meeting, a group session, or another type of event. Next, Calendly will prompt you to select what kind of meeting or event type you want to create. At this stage, choose the option that best matches what you're trying to schedule. For example, you might pick a one-on-one meeting if it's just between you and another person, or a different format if you're planning something like a group call. Take a moment here to be sure the type you select fits the way you actually want to meet. Once you've chosen the meeting type, you'll see settings for that new event. One of the key options you'll need to adjust is the duration. Click on Duration to open up the time settings. This controls how long each scheduled meeting will last. After opening the duration menu, select the length that makes the most sense for your meeting. Common choices are 15, 30, or 60 minutes, but choose what fits your workflow. Remember that shorter meetings can help you fit more into your day, while longer ones give you more room for detailed discussions. Now, fill in the other details for your meeting. This typically includes the event name, a short description or instructions for your guests, the location or meeting method, and any custom questions you want people to answer when they book. Be clear and specific so invitees know exactly what to